how you can format your Celframe Notemaker. The first formatting that you can do is text style. When you click on text style, see that this box appears, and in this box it gives you a couple of options, which is undo, redo, update. Undo allows you to undo the last action that you have taken inside your Celframe Notemaker. Redo would allow you to redo the actions that you've done in your Notemaker. And you can update your notes through update in Celframe Notemaker. If you would like to bold a text or underline a text or italic a text, all you have to do is highlight the particular text and then click on bold or underline or italic text, whichever that suits you for your notes. Next, if you see black text, you can choose what kind of color text that you want to put for your notes. They have a few options here in which you can choose. Just choose the appropriate one. Next, you can choose the size that you want to put for your notes, how big you want your notes to be or how small you want your notes to be. Just choose the size that suits you. Then we have the font size, in which when you click on the font size on the drop down button, you can see the different types of fonts that are made available for you to choose from, in which you can use for your notes. Just choose anything you want. Then we have set text as default. You can just set your text as default. And then once you've chosen all the appropriate actions that you want to put for your notes, click on done. So once you've chosen your option, just type into your notes. As you can see, what options you have chosen, the font, the size, the color, will be displayed in your Notemaker once you start typing your notes. The next thing in format that we will look at is graph paper. Click on graph paper. You can see that your document changes into a graph paper, and you can put graphs, do calculations in your graph paper if you're going to take notes regarding that subject. Then we have set size. Just click on set size, and if you click on set size, you can set the size of your document. Then we have background screenshot. Once you click on background screenshots, you can see that you're given an option to choose the background, kind of background that you want to put, whether image or background. Then you just choose it. You can choose whether you want to put entire screen or minimize for screen. You can put cancel, or you can put to shoot. So choose the options that you want. And if you want to shoot, just click on shoot. It'll shoot a background for you. Next in format we will see is modify selection. Just click on modify selection. You can see that the modify selection box will appear. It will allow you to undo or redo. You can choose the pen width you want, the size you can choose in here, how wide you want the pen to be, and highlighter width as well. You can choose whether you want to have a change in the pen width or the highlighter width. You can choose the arrow weight if you want to, or you can have no changes. You can put smooth strokes or apply current pen. And once you've done the changes on your modify selection, just click on done, and it will be set into your Notemaker. Next thing we will look at is overlay style. When you click on overlay style, you get this overlay box. You're able to undo, redo, update your overlay. You can choose the color of your overlay that you want, white, yellow. Just choose the color that you want, and you can choose whether you want to fade the overlay. Then you can choose the outlines for your overlay, what color you want as your outline. You can choose the thickness of your overlay as well. You can choose to equalize it or choose the roundness. Even you can choose the overlay to make it square. And once you've done, just click on insert overlay. After you've insert overlay, just click on done, and the overlay will be inserted into your documentation. As a summary, you have seen how to put stack styles, you've seen paper and background, how to put graph paper in, how you can set the size, you can put background or image screenshot, you can modify selection, and you can do overlay style.